3, 2, 1.
Out of 10 car?
10 out of 10, yeah, that's smart. I'm looking up.
If you got bumper, then shake it. If you got bumper, then shake it. It is unlocked. 10 out of 10 boot for the Toyota.
10 out of 10, yeah.
So they're not telling you, they're just saying they can't, they're basically relieving themselves of responsibility. Oh yeah!
Not slack.
Oh my days, it's like a shark. Look at the stay of this thing. Oh my days. Oh my god. Did he eat it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's gonna eat you.
This stingray was once in the Cape Town Aquarium. They released him and now he lives here. Whoa, Kim. Kim's got an audience.
How does it feel? Very slippery, but very soft.
Little boy's backing up. Whoa. It's a bit different to Cayman. He's looking for the lady in red. Whoa!
Do you actually feed him? Yeah, he just comes and takes it.
What would you-
Where's his face gone?
He's turning around. Whoa! He nearly ate you, Kim.
No, he didn't.
Oh, his friend's here now.
That's weird.
Whoa. He's coming in. Kim, he's coming in a bit quick.
There we go. This is it.